ومودة القربى بها أتوسل ولكلهم قدر وفضل ساطع لكنما الصديق منهم أفضل.
When we're giving da'wah, the origin is gentleness and kindness, not harshness. Holding on to the truth doesn't mean you have to be harsh. That's not the origin, the asl. Yes, there are times when a person has to be stern, as we see in the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. There were moments when the Prophet ﷺ was stern. However, the origin is kindness and gentleness. Allah said to the Prophet ﷺ, لو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لم فضوا من حولك. If you were harsh and you were stern to them, they would have run away from you. But it was from the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal that you were kind and you were gentle to them. Because people, no doubt, they like that which is kind and gentle. So sometimes, especially when you're dealing, obviously, you're talking about your mother, you're talking about your father, you're talking about your siblings, you're dealing with people that love you. So these individuals, they love you. Sometimes what you do and how you behave has more of an effect than what you say. A brother asked, one of the brothers, I think he was from London, Wallahu a'lam, he asked me in Cardiff and he said about his mother, she's not a Muslim. I said, imagine, bas, tatasawwar, right? Alhamdulillah, you're Muslim now. If your mother sees that you're more obedient, that you're kinder, that you care for her more, that you have more respect, and maybe your other siblings, they don't have that level of respect, obviously it's going to make her admire the religion.